Shehzad Roy said, Nawaz Sayani, my childhood buddy, lived in USA. He was coming to Karachi. Sent me this message in transit. I will see you in few hours. I was excited and called him this morning, and a friend picked up and said Nawaz had passed away. This is the last pic he shared from Dubai airport. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. आगाह अपनी मौत से कोई बशर नहीं, आगाह अपनी मौत से कोई बशर नहीं, सामान 100 बरस का पल की खबर नहीं, सामान 100 बरस का पल की खबर नहीं।